What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody had a good Christmas and New Year's, and I hope all y'all's dreams and wishes come true for this year and that you guys reach all y'all's goals. Wish you nothing but many blessings and success. And for today's video, we're gonna be unboxing some late Christmas gifts that came in the mail. So maybe some car parts. Got 4 small boxes, and the one that I'm most excited to open, this big box. We're gonna save it for last. And we also got a new car, guys. Just kidding, it's my cousin's car. Juan, if you're looking at this video, come pick up your whip, man. I got no more space in my house. Literally a full house. Guys, let's get back into it and start unboxing everything and see what we got. I had placed an order for most of this stuff back in November, but I guess with holiday delays and stuff, you know, it got here a little late. But what matters is that everything is here now, so let's get to unboxing. Alright, so I already went ahead and opened this box, and we got some NGK spark plugs, some spark plug wires, a distributor cap, distributor rotor, just some little things that I want to add to the Civic because it has been sitting since 2019, so you know, just want to get all of this stuff done to it and make sure everything's running 100% with it. So let's get on to the next box. So that's off to the side. Now on to the next box. I think I know what this is. I believe it's also for the Civic, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see what we have here. Put that box to the side. And we got a whole gasket kit. It does have some oil leak. I'm not sure where it's coming from yet, but I just went ahead and got a whole gasket kit, you know, in case something else down the road starts leaking. We're all set. All right, guys, on to the next box. So I already went ahead and cut this open because it's kind of hard recording with one hand and trying to open all this shit with the other hand. So I had been wanting to get these for a while already. They're floor mats for the RSX because when I got my car painted, I don't know what happened to the floor mats, so let me open this real quick. Mats out the bag, and I can show y'all now how they look. So I was gonna go ahead and order some regular basic ass all black floor mats, but I really like this checkered pattern with the gray and the black. So why be a basic hoe when you could stand out from the rest, you know? So if you guys have an RSX and you want to get these same floor mats, this is the brand here. You can look them up, and I believe they sell floor mats for other type of vehicles also. So I'm about to go ahead and vacuum my car after this and throw them in and show you how they look. So let's go on to the next box. So we got the last small box, and this is something I've really needed and had been hesitating to buy, but we finally got it. I already went ahead and opened the box from the bottom. A freaking tool set. So my dad and everybody else, me myself, grabbed tools, ended up losing them, don't know where they go, so why not start off the year with some new tools. Last box, guys, the one that y'all have all been waiting for. Well, at least me. So this is the first thing that I bought, and I've been so hesitant to open it, but I wanted to open everything for you guys with all the rest of the stuff. So the day's finally here. Let's unbox this bad boy. Oh boy, I can't wait to see how this thing looks. Let's take that damn cover off. There's a lot of styrofoam up in here. put these to the side. Oh crap, this thing is very well secured, but alright, I'm gonna have to pull this out the box. Sir, we got a new toolbox, and I got it yellow to match the color of my first car. We got the keys right here. Ready to put everything off to the side, take the box out, and figure out how to assemble this thing and put it together. I am gonna give my old toolbox and my old tools to my dad. That is the reason why I got a new toolbox and new tools. So let's move all of this stuff out of the way and put this bad boy together. What is up, guys? So it is the next day. Last night I didn't have time to finish putting the toolbox together because the instruction manual kind of sucked and I was kind of struggling, but we got it all buttoned up now and it's ready to go. I still have to put tools in it. I just pulled it out, you know, to show you guys. It's a pretty cool toolbox. Has 2 more extra drawers than my old one, so you know, that's a win right there. And I also started working on the Civic. So the fuel filter came in the mail last night and I'm about to get ready to replace that. I did loosen this bottom line right here and it started seeping gas and it smells so bad, like really old gas. The car has been sitting since 2019, but when I got the car, I drained all that old gas out, filled it up with new gas, but I'm guessing, you know, there's still old gas somewhere in the lines or in that fuel filter. So I'm also going to replace the spark plugs and the spark plug wires and take it out on a test drive, and hopefully it runs better because it is kind of misfiring. So I'm hoping it's just that. So let's get to it, guys. Let's replace this, take this bad boy out on a drive and see how it runs. Alright, so the old fuel filter's off. A bunch of gas came out of it and it smells like disgusting old gas. Like, y'all don't understand how much I hate the smell of freaking old gas. Hoping this is the issue to why the car is not running right. Maybe the filter's clogged. I don't know. I did put new gas in the car, like I said, and I also put a gas treatment in and didn't fix anything. And I mean, I also need to change the spark plugs and the spark plug wires, so hopefully one of those 2 things fixes the problem. So we got the new fuel filter here. I'm about to put it in and move on to the next thing. There it is, out with the old and in with that new. Next, spark plug wires and spark plugs. Let's get it. So there we go. We got fresh new crispy spark plug wires and spark plugs. Check out these spark plugs. They were just burnt out and nasty. Same thing with the spark plug wires. So I'm about to go ahead and clean everything up, close up the garage, and go on a test drive. Let's hope that everything's good. All right, guys, now the moment of truth. Let's hope this thing fires up and let's hope it runs good. Fired right up. Alright, let's go on this test drive and let's see how this goes. I do have to roll my windows down because this car has no AC. That's the next thing I plan on fixing on it, so Let's hit the road. So the car does run much better. Like from the moment that I started the car, it sounded way different. So I'm guessing that, in my opinion, I think it was that fuel filter. The spark plug wires also had something to do with it, but man, I'm impressed. Like, it's responding really well. It's not hesitating. Like, I remember the first time I drove it, it shut off on me. So like, it just wasn't running right, but everything's good. Temperature is good. So let's hit this corner and give it a little rip, see how it runs. Little second gear pull, here we go. That runs really good, much better from how it used to run. I'm so happy with how this thing runs now. I do need to go get it registered, so right after I put that VTEC solenoid in, clear that code, take it for a drive, registration is next, and then I'm gonna look into fixing the AC on it and that oil leak that it has. So pretty good how it ran right now. I also got the floor mats in the RSX. They look so sick. It feels like I got new carpet in the car, to be honest. And I also got this gift right here. It's a die cast of my RSX. Pretty sick. Guys, I'm about to hop in the shower because I stink like old gas right now. I hate that smell so bad. And I'm gonna come back down here and edit this video for you guys. If you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. Show some love. I've noticed that some of you guys that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So if you like my content, subscribe. And just leave a comment. Let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see in the future. If you guys would like for me to do a Q&A, I'll leave my Instagram name down below so you guys can DM me some questions and I'll answer them for y'all in the next video. So that is all for today, guys. Once again, if you watch my content and you like it but you aren't subscribed, please hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment. It really means a lot to me and it really helps me. So peace out, guys, and stay tuned for the next one.